So the second reason why people get caught up in this flying monkey business is because they've been around the narcissist long enough to know that that person is vindictive. And they know that it's easier to be in this person's bubble than to be outside of it. So they might participate in a takedown of someone else because it's just easier than it being them. And because they know that there's probably a trade-off. If they refuse, if they don't give the narcissist what he or she wants, it's going to be them sooner rather than later. But the thing is that later always comes. And we're going to get to that